Everybody, so glad you decided to join us on this very, very cold Wednesday morning. We've got a science experiment. Alex is going to tell us about it.
Yeah, first I want to say don't try this at home. What we've got is a cup of nearly boiling water. I hope it's still warm enough. We microwaved it just a second ago, but because it's boiling water, don't want you to try this at home. But what happens is hopefully this will work. We throw this up in the cold air,
blimey!
and it immediately turns into a cloud. So what happens is when we get this water near boiling, it's already close to a phase change, right? Close to the change from water into steam. When we throw it in the air, it hits that cold air, and it's cold enough and dry enough that some of those very small water droplets turn into a cloud almost instantly. It looks like snow, but it's not. Now, that's a fun experiment. It's one we don't necessarily want you to try at home because you're throwing boiling liquid in the air. But as Steve's throwing the snow in the air, something you want to think about is there are some problems with the weather this morning, and one of the issues we're seeing, if you'll follow me, Ian, is we've got some slick spots, something you wouldn't necessarily see, but if you'll come right up to this, Ian, we got some blackouts on our pavement here at the studio. The roads are seeing some stuff like that as well, and that's a problem. You could slip and fall on that, or if you're driving, you could slip and slide. So we want you to take things really slow and safe this morning.
And you can do this too. You can do, come on over here. You can do a little maintenance for your co-workers. You know, you get out here early in the morning, you get everything nice and ready, and have a good time. All right, we got to go back inside, huh? What else?
We do. It's very cold out here as well. So, as you and I have both done, I've got two jackets on right now. You've got a real heavy coat on. You got the mittens on. I should have mittens on, but I don't. But I've got these packets here in my pockets in my jacket that I'm using almost any chance I can get. Be sure to limit your exposure to the cold today.
Yeah, I was just going to say, I'm goofing around a lot, having a little fun, but if you're out here for more than 5 minutes, it gets dangerous. Ears exposed, cheeks exposed.
I'm sure I'm getting a little rosy at this point.
Yeah. You ready to go inside? It is going to warm up.
It is going to warm up later this week, and I'm going to have details on your forecast coming up next, so you don't want to miss that. We got more sunrise coming up after the break.